Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve media creation tool with the error code 0x80070006-0x90018 in Windows computer. So this error 0x80070006-0x90018 is one of the common problems for users who try to upgrade or create bootable installations media for Windows using the media creation tool. So this error can occur at any moment in time during the download process, preparations of the installations files, or when the tool is creating bootable USB drives. And common reasons of this error due to some malfunctions on their USB drive, incompatibility in the file system, or low space, corrupted media creation tool, and misconfigured Windows update components. And then I'll show you possible solutions that it could fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable antivirus software. So sometimes antivirus programs block the media creation tool from performing critical operations. Temporarily disabling such programs can help complete the process. On how to do that, so here at search menu, and then you need to type this Windows security, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows security, and then you need now to tap or click this virus and threat protections, and then click. And then once you open up here at virus threat protections, and then you need to scroll down under at virus and threat protection settings, and then you need to click this manage settings. And then here now at manage settings, so you can see this real-time protections. So all you have to do is to disable or turn off this real-time protections button. So you can see this, and then we need to turn off. And if you receive user account control, and then click yes. Alright, so once you already turn off this real-time protections, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows update components. On how to do that, so in here again, on search menu, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then tap yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then you need to type and enter this command keyword ipconfig space/flash DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space/flash DNS, that is one word, and then press enter, and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword netsh space winsock space reset. So just type this command keyword netsh space winsock space reset, and then again press enter, and successfully reset the winsock catalog. Then we need to restart this computer in order to complete the reset. Then we need to close the CMD, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted system files. And again here at search menu, and then you need to type the CMD, or this is the command prompt. Then you need to select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space/scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now. So that's why we will do this, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. and verifications 100% complete, and then we need to close this CMD, and then here again at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix these issues. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.